Hello and welcome, it's Tim from Exotic Ginger. Today I'm just going to show you how to dry cut flowers and even make it into confetti for weddings and stuff like that. So what you want to do is you want to get a flower that's already semi out. You want to make sure the petals are not dying basically, so you have nice confetti or nice dry flowers. So what you want to do is you don't want to deadhead the flowers. So deadheading the flowers is you're just like making the plant grow a bit more. So what you want to do is you want to snip the stem at where it meets the other stem. That's what you want to do. So I'm just going to get some snips and do that right now. So there you go. So that is what you want to do. So you can either take off the leaves or not. I take them off. You don't want to drop it either. Just like I did here. But I'm taking them off, but you don't have to. I'm just making it so it's just the nice flower. The leaves do keep its colour as well, so you can use it as that. So now you've got the flower. You can leave the stem off, or take the stem, or take it off and just have the flower head. Or at this time, this is where you pull the head and pull all of the petals off, and then place them into the sand. So now we got this. So now I'm going to go and take it and put it into the sand. So this is silica sand. So what it is basically a type of sand was super dry, and it takes all the moisture out of the plant material and makes it super dry, but keeps the color. So these last, when you do it like this lasts for roughly about a year. As you can see, I've had my deliciosa flower right there was brown for about a year and a half in there, so it's gone quite brown. This I put in about a month ago, and look how nice and dry it is. So that's what the type of thing that you want. Like I said, this is my Monstera deliciosa seed pod flower and flower. So now I'm just going to take out the rest of the flowers and everything, and just make sure that I have enough space to put the rest of them in. So now you want to make a little hole to be able to put the rest of the sand over the flower, and what you want to do is gently place the flower down, and so the flower head is facing upwards if you're trying to like preserve the shape of the flower and not just have the petals. And then just gently brush the sand over and wait about 2 weeks. So thank you for watching. This is a nice dry flower, looks pretty cool. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment and all that great stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.